What's up guys, today we're going to be looking at another iPod. In this box I have what's left of an iPod mini. Check it out. Wow, so cool. So as you can see, this used to be a 4 gig model. This is a second gen iPod mini and the hard drive failed. So I attempted to replace it with a CF card. However, this was completely garbage. It did not work at all. And today we're going to be replacing it with this, an adapter, and I'm going to put 128 gigs on it. Got the parts laid out here. This display is slightly burned, but it works. And let's start by testing this out. Okay, so I just connected it to my computers. You can see we get the battery charging icon. See if anything else happens. For a few minutes I got the Apple logo and boom, the folder screen. So it's not showing up on my computer. That's weird. Just gonna wait for a couple of minutes. We're getting a do not disconnect. However, it's still not showing. Oh, it just rebooted. Great. Yeah, folder again. Well guys, it's been about 2 months and I've had a bit of an epiphany moment.
And look, it says 16 gig, 32 gig, and 64 gig. And I tried to use a 128 gig card.
So I found this 32 gig card and we'll be trying this out instead. Got everything connected, put the card in. Let's see what happens in the computer. Well, you guessed it. We're getting the same issues as last time and it doesn't even show up on the computer. I don't know what's going on here. Let's do something a bit different. Here's my 2009 17-inch MacBook Pro and it's running Ubuntu 22. Let's see if by the magic of Linux it is detected. Connected. Apple logo. Is that, yeah, folder screen now. We go, open the file manager, nothing. Let's try disks. Nope, only the CD and the SSD is detected, not the iPod. Dang it. Well guys, sorry for yet again another disappointing video. Hopefully at least you enjoyed, and I've got a fun one coming up soon. Bye.